How to tell if a gate valve is open or closed. If you've ever worked with plumbing or industrial systems, you know this can be tricky. The three main components in the mechanism of operating a gate valve are the gate, the stem, and the handwheel. Now, the easiest way to tell if a gate valve is open or closed is by looking at the position of the handwheel or stem. Number 1. One of the indicators is the rising stem. In many gate valves, the stem rises when the valve is open and lowers when it's closed. This design makes it visually easy to identify the valve's position. Therefore, when the valve stem is extended out of the handwheel and raised, it indicates that the valve is in the open position. However, if the valve stem has not extended out of the handwheel, it means the valve is in the closed position. Number 2. However, not all gate valves have a rising stem. In such cases, you'll need to rely on the handle's position or markings on the valve body. Some valves have indicators like open and closed or shut printed directly on the handwheel or body. If the handwheel is turned fully counterclockwise, the valve is open, allowing flow. If it's turned fully clockwise, the valve is closed, blocking flow. Remember to always follow safety precautions when working with valves and pipelines. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.